Hi, good day. I am Sarah and I am here to discuss about audio media. But first, I will tell you what is audio. Audio is the sound that lies within the range of sensitivity of the human ear. It has frequency of approximately 20 to 20,000 Hz. These are the physical properties of audio. First is the loudness, the physiological sensation sensed in the brain. Second is the pitch, subjective impression about the frequency of sound. Then the third is the duration. Then let us proceed to my topic about audio media. Audio media are materials and sounds that are transmitted, produced or received through high fidelity waves which are heard through certain equipment. The audio media are inexpensive materials, easy to use but can present simulating verbal messages more dramatically than the print media. Then, the materials are light and usually portable and easy to duplicate or replace. There are two kinds of audio media. First is the radio broadcast, which can be live or tape program. It is an inexpensive means of reaching a mass audience or a great number of learners. Usually, it is taped to eliminate problems of scheduling, timing, and accuracy in the unfolding of activities. It is valued for the immediacy, realism, and emotional impact. It provides the listener an identical listening experience. One important strength of radio broadcast is its attention-compelling nature, which facilitates focusing and ultimately effective learning. However, it has some weaknesses. Like it is a one-way communication device, it moves at a constant speed and it cannot conduct drills. Next is the recording. This may come in form of ordinary cartridge, open reel tape, compact disc or CD, and the digital video disc or the DVD. The audio tapes are economical and easy to use tapes, which can be used for recording purposes. They can be erased or reused, however, not for a long time. The open reel tapes are suited for professional recording, but they are not easy to handle and use. It needs professional skills to be able to use them. The compact discs have an advantage. First is the random search. Second, very durable. Third, no background noises. Then the fourth, high fidelity. And the disadvantage of the compact disc is initial expense of equipment, empirical to prepare local. And the third is the sensitive to movement. Then, recording have advantage over the radio. First, it is a two-way of communication device. One can play it back if ideas or information are not clear. It also eliminates the scheduling problems of radio. One can be flexible in planning the time and listening, which can be adjusted to the most convenient time and place. Can pre-hear the material so they can evaluate its quality, content, and expect impact. In addition to, recording can be done in a school, while the radio broadcast must be done in the radio station where facilities can be available. The recording can be used or reused in the future if properly stored. See the uses of the audio media instruction. The audio media can be used for individualized instruction, where the students can move or at their own rate so as to develop mastery. Then, they can play back the materials until they fully understand and learn the lesson. The materials can be also used to document speeches for analysis to record interviews of resources, person or political personalities, or to report findings of research and other documentaries. In the lower grades, it is effective for storytelling, especially if pictures accompany them. It is also motivates the pupils to develop their singing and speaking potential. I hope you will